Welcome to Best of Vlogs.
Hey guys, what is going on? Vesta Vlogs here.
And me.
Yes, and you. We all know you're here. I don't think no one cares. But they do care in this video because in this video the minion is going to control the master. So the minion is the voice in this videos, obviously. And he's going to give me some instructions to do. So minion, over to you.
Okay, do the robot.
Really? You want me to do the robot? I regret this already.
Do it.
Okay. Chill. I'm going to do it now. I'm going to jump cut ahead in the video to the robot dance, and then we'll come back to here. Okay guys, so yeah, let's get on with this then. So I'm going to do the robot. Are you ready? Here it comes. And that's enough of that embarrassment. Okay, you happy now?
Now, you see that pen over there? Stick it up your...
Don't you say it.
I was only joking. Pick up the pen and tell me how much you like it and how much you're in love with it.
Really?
Go on, do that, that'll be fun.
Okay. Let me go get to it. Let me go and get it. Hey baby. How's it going? I've been wanting to tell you this for a long time. But I've been in love with you for a while now. Please go out with me.
You really did it! I'm fucking crying
Shut
right
up!
now.
Shut up! Damn you, Min! You get one more. I'm gonna jump cut ahead in the video one more time. You get one more. So get ready to say it, okay? Well, think about it. Think about it hard.
Wanna do the pen thing?
No.
Okay, chill. Do the head, shoulders, knees and toe song. That'd be fun.
Really? Do the head, shoulders, knees, and toes, Nance? You really want me to do that? Okay then. Jump cut in the video, and then you'll play the music, and then we'll do it.
Hi kids! Let's shake our body! Come on! Dance to the tune! Workout is a boon! We are healthy soon! Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. March,
Alright, I'm out.
Let's
So yeah guys, there it is. The remote control challenge.
Wait, do one more.
What is it?
Put your hand on your head like a fist.
Like this?
Yeah, that's it. Now move it around.
Like this?
Yeah, you know what that's called?
No, what's it called?
A remote control dickhead.
Grrr.